Hi guys, today we're talking about seat selection and where you might be most comfortable on your next flight. So stick around. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jane and this is Jane's On Point. Today we're talking about seat selection and where you might be most comfortable on your next flight. There are several factors to consider and all of us are very individual and have unique preferences. So let's address a few common concerns and things that have come up in conversations with friends and family. One of the biggest questions I get is, where should I sit if I get motion sick? The best place to sit on the plane is over the wing if you tend to get motion sick because there's less turbulence. Now what if you're traveling with someone? Pick an aisle and a window seat near the back of the plane because that middle seat is less likely to be filled rows toward the back of the plane than the rows toward the front of the plane. Now if you're someone who likes to sleep on a plane, choose a window seat, hands down the best seat. No one will disturb you climbing over you trying to get out to use the restroom or walk around and stretch their legs. Now on the contrary, if you're that person that's up frequently to use the restroom, choose an aisle seat. That way you won't be disturbing other passengers and you won't have to ask people to move for you, and you'll have a much easier access. Now if it's a little bit more legroom you're after, try an exit row or a bulkhead seat. Both of those will allow you more room. The bulkhead seat obviously giving you much more than an exit row. But either way, it's more than your standard seat on any economy flight. And lastly, if you're someone who likes to have your carry-on or your personal items with you, do not choose a bulkhead seat, because when sitting in the front, that very first row, you're not allowed to keep any carry-on bags or personal items on you. They all have to go in the overhead bin. I've also found that this is true with exit rows. If you're sitting in an exit row, there are some airlines that will not let you keep your personal bag or carry-on under your seat. Well, hopefully these tips have helped you and will help you choose your seat on your next flight, and you'll be just that much more comfortable. You can also utilize seatguru.com, where you can view the seat maps and the pros and cons of the various seats on select airlines. So I hope all this information helps, and if you have any questions, let me know down below.